All the people from the electronic and print media, a very warm welcome to all of you. It's a pleasure to be speaking on this occasion. If we talk about blood cancer, there was no treatment available for blood cancer. Dr. Saleh is a perfect example of a Bangladeshi doctor who got trained abroad, who came back to the country, and now who's serving the people of this country. He deserves a big round of applause for the wonderful work that he is doing. I remember when in my medical education, there was no treatment. Now things have progressed, and we are so happy to announce this thing that the blood cancer treatment is now successfully available within the country of Bangladesh. It is not one or two that we are talking about. We are talking about 50 bone marrow transplants that have been successfully done here. We seek the help of the media that please reach out to the people of Bangladesh. Please have this message given to all that earlier when people used to have to travel abroad, they used to have to take lot of problems, lot of issues regarding their travel, treatment, cost, everything. Now these facilities are available within the country. We as a JCI accredited hospital, we assure quality, we assure world quality treatment under senior clinicians like Dr. Saleh. And we want you to spread this message across that whatever it is, we want the people not to be seeking or going abroad, getting the same international level treatment. And I'm sure Dr. Saleh would be sharing the numbers and the statistics with you. These are comparable to the best of the centers in the world. And this is why we are so proud of Dr. Saleh and his entire team that the treatment which is comparable to the best center in the world is available now in Bangladesh. Let people, I pray to the Almighty that nobody suffers from this deadly disease. But in case, if they do have any such problem, there is a treatment available. It is not an incurable disease, what was thought 35 years ago when I did my medical education. It's not like that now. There are modalities, there are drugs, there are protocols and things, and we have the best of the infrastructure, best of the clinical teams available. So I'll not take much of your time. We definitely look forward to hearing more from Dr. Saleh sir on this particular disease and what all his achievements have been. Thank you.